Welcome to SovCit Classics. Here we rewatch and comment on all the old classics we so enjoy. So go ahead, grab yourself a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, let's watch this video. In this video we have a SovCit in court and he doesn't like what he hears from the judge, so he just ends up to threaten the judge with him bringing his friends around and kidnap her. Nothing serious, yeah, he'll just come around to kidnap her because this is his court. Let's go ahead and watch the video. Should you feel generous and want to buy me a coffee or two, there is a PayPal link down below. Right, enough talking. Let's get on to the video.
Please present coming forward.
This is our SovCit genius coming into the courtroom, right? The lady you see on the right-hand side of your screen there, that's his a lawyer. He's not making much use of this lawyer's skills and knowledge as far as the law is concerned. We have a winner here. This guy, he's something else. Just check it out.
All right, and what's the status of Mr. Banks' matter?
Mr. Banks is asking the court to quash the warrant that was previously issued at his last hearing, and I believe the clerk has already been handed forward a 1077 order for a competency evaluation, which defense is requesting to take place out of custody.
All right, thank you. So first of all, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued for Mr. Banks. What's the city's position with regard to the 1077?
The city has no objection to it.
Excellent. All right. So I'm going to sign that order as well and allow that to be an out-of-custody evaluation since Mr. Banks is present in court today. And what we should do is set a review hearing probably in a couple of months. I think that we need at least a couple of months just based on the time frame and waiting for the evaluation. So, can you suggest it? Like a Monday, 9 or 10.
To a few months, like a November 6th at night.
So, Mr. Banks, would November 6th at 9 a.m. work for you for your next hearing?
No, I would like to give notice of fraud on the court and serve documents to all parties involved.
Yeah, I don't even know what that means, man. Does this fool really think that that's going to impress the judge and all the parties involved? Does he really think so? How many cases has he won where he's brought this to the court? Anybody? You know, where, how, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, so I don't know what that means because that's not in our normal procedure. So you're
Okay.
welcome to do that if you need to. But
Okay,
I'm just
so
asking
you're-
you about your next court date. Does that November 6th date work for you?
No, I don't consent to any further court dates.
All right, so I'm going to set November 6th, and if you don't appear on November 6th, I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest, okay? All right, so I've set that date, I've signed the order, and we'll make sure to get parties copies of that.
Ma'am, I need your name again, please.
You can talk outside court.
Sir, you represent the city?
Yes.
May I have your name, please?
Sir, you're going to have to move along because I have other cases that I need to call, so you can ask those questions.
Sir,
You need to ask
may I
them.
have your name, please?
Mr. Banks. Mr. Banks.
Sir,
Mr. Banks.
may I have your name, please?
Sir, sorry, I'm not allowed to talk to you at the moment.
Mr.
It's a
Banks,
privilege of
Okay.
I need you to step back, okay?
All right.
All this information is public record. You can get it.
Absolutely. Here.
The total disrespect this guy shows for the judge while she's trying to talk to him. He totally ignores her and addresses the guy next to him. I don't know. I probably come from a different era, but man, you don't disrespect authority. That's me. You know, that's where I come from. This is it doesn't sit well with me. Mr. Banks here is not my favorite person. Not my favorite person at all. But let's see how this thing carry on.
I'm giving you judicial notice.
You need to hand it to the clerk.
Judicial note.
You need to stand
What's your
back.
name, ma'am?
You need to stand back. Sir, you need to stand back.
Emily? Last name, Emily?
You need to go back. All right, I'm going to need you to move so I can call the next case.
So this is the thing. You forced me to come here.
Just as a side note, him walking up to the bench there, I don't think that's allowed. Unless you called him up there, right? I would think so. I think security in this courtroom is going to be is going to have a talk to after this sitting. That's what I think. I could be wrong, but I don't think he's supposed to just walk up to there.
And you
No,
limit,
you
and
got
then
a
you won't,
warrant,
hold on,
and
hold on,
I
hold
let you
on,
come
ma'am.
here so that you could question
Everything
the
that
warrant.
I
You need to
filed
step back, or
in
else
the
I'm gonna have to
case,
call
everything that I filed in this case is being ignored. You want to play with my life, take away my ability
All
to
right.
make a
You
living
need to
with
leave.
fraudulent
You
proceedings.
need to
It's
exit my
unacceptable.
courtroom. You need to exit my courtroom. It's all in this
Do you
standard
believe
procedure.
you're above arrest?
I need you to leave my courtroom.
Do you believe you're above arrest?
I need you to leave my
Do you
courtroom.
believe you're above the law?
Don't keep approaching me.
Well, I don't know. Maybe if everything that you filed before the court is being ignored, isn't there a chance that that's just a bunch of rubbish, nonsense stuff that doesn't make any sense except for you and your soft set ideology? Maybe this doesn't have a basis in the law as we see it, as we understand it, as it's practiced. That might be it. You know, they may not ignore it because they don't like you. They might ignore it because it's nonsense. Doesn't make sense. Have you ever thought about that?
Don't keep approaching me. I'm going to ask you kindly to please leave the courtroom now, okay?
This
I
is
don't
my
want
court.
this to get nasty. I want you to leave.
Yeah, because I wanted
I'm
to
gonna
come
ask
arrest you.
I'm going to ask you to leave, okay? It's fine. I will quash your warrant. You need to leave, please. I'm asking you nicely. Just please leave.
Respect the paperwork, lady. I'm not playing with you.
All right. See you later.
Respect and honor. That's what it is. I've given you judicial notice. If I have to come up in here with men myself to take custody of you, I will.
You know what? that's that's a threat. I think anyway. And if I were that judge, I'd put his ass in jail. I think 90 days would be a nice little vacation for him. Good thing I'm not a judge. Good thing I'm not a judge. Oh my word. I've never heard somebody do this to a judge and get away with it. That's crazy.
Because you will not use people's power to step on my life and the people of this county, in this city. Believe that.
All right. Where are you taking this case?
All right, so yeah, you're seeing it. He threatened the judge with his friends to come and kidnap her. Then he turned around and walked out of the courtroom. No repercussions. Why is he not in jail? I don't know. Is it a thing? Is there no way this judge can put him in jail for the threat that he made? The disrespect he showed by just walking out? I don't know. Is that what it is? Is it a weak judge? I don't know. But this is what happened on the video. And if this is allowed, and there are repercussions, or repercussions can be put in place, we can be taken to jail for a while. If that has not been done, then this is upon the judge. But now the problem is, this guy comes here for a different judge, and he's going to try the same nonsense. And what happens there? I don't know. Well, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. This is a weird case. I do appreciate your time. We'll see you on the next one.